That's just so cool.
Nope.
Okay, thank you very much. Oh, hi.
Can I please get 3 of those? They were right there.
Thank you.
Yeah, these cars fucking stay up. Oh. I got it.
We're good. We're good. And there's nobody here. I know, it's just us.
This is insane. I feel like I'm in a wildlife, Nat Geo Wild. Nat Geo Wild. That's the first time I've ever seen a raccoon in my life. Hey buddy, where are you?
He's right here. He's right here.
Is he right there? Hi buddy, I see your tail.
I'll give you like a 45-degree angle. What the fuck? I'll say the word process. And I do what they told ya! And I do what they told ya! Bro, this is my childhood. Isn't this so sick? Look at all of them. Yeah, they look
No
the same.
phones, dude.
Do what you tell me! Fuck you! Do what you tell me! Fucker!
Fuck yeah, everybody's clapping. Nobody has no shit.
Woo! Hell yeah!
That was fun.
Just got back from eating poutine.
There you go.
Wow. Привет.
Let's go.
Come on, brother. You're gonna be fine. You're gonna be warm as fuck, bro.
Hell yeah.
We should do one of these because you should.
Creatine? Right
Yeah.
now? At 1 a.m.?
It makes me pee, but it's like still classy.
Well, I'm so happy I took my makeup off. So I don't need to worry about it later. I would have fallen asleep.
Yeah, you're fine. Love stinks. You need some chum stinks.
Dude, I can't believe I saw a raccoon today.
Yeah, I can't believe you're so excited about it. That's
What
pretty
the
crazy.
hell? I know.
That's so funny.
For
Put it
you
in
guys,
there.
it's like a hella pest, right?
Dude, yeah, it's a fucking. We call them like trash pandas. They're like everywhere.
When I
That's
saw a
true.
raccoon, I was like, oh,
It's true.
raccoon!
It's true. It's true. It's true.
No way, I've been 24 hours in Canada and I've really checked off my bucket list.
24
Like,
hours, dude.
I've checked off like 20 things on my bucket list. Like, what the
That's what I think
fuck?
also. It was like, oh my god, you made friends with the poutine people.
Yeah.
I was like, oh my god, that wasn't even on the list.
And there's like a little lookout at the top of the mountain.
Hell yeah, let's do it. There's no water in the dam?
But I wonder why there's no water today.
My phone is not focusing on the. Yeah, this is Twilight as fuck. In prison? How does it feel like?
At least it's a nice view.
You look so cute with your brown beanie. I learned you guys call it a toque here.
Oh yeah.
A toque.
You guys don't say that.
Yeah. I was like, what the frick is a toque?
That's very French Canadian, I think.
Uh-huh. You know that meme that's like fork, threek, toque, wonk, you know?
Yeah.
Exactly. Exactly.
You are here. Okay, let's just walk.
Okay, girl. I'm with you.
I don't know. We'll figure it out.
So flippin' cold.
Oh, yeah.
People are here in their hoodies and leggings.
This is
and
like
their Lululemon.
Evie's vlog.
Do you know that meme was like, I have a surprise. How does it go?
Do you like surprises?
Do you like surprises? Okay, let's go. Whoa, girl. Okay, hold on. I'll take a photo. Solid. Oh my god, a Canadian bear.
Out in the wild.
In the wild. With your ears, look. So
You're
cute.
run after.
What breed of raccoon is this?
We're going to the giant fur trail.
Let's go. Let's fucking go.
Follow me.
I have a
Do you like
surprise.
surprises? I feel like we're in a Dr. Seuss book.
I feel like I'm in Dr. Seuss book / Twilight mashup. Should I just play some Twilight music? This place is crazy. I love it. So what was the story about the hatchery?
So they built the dam to supply Vancouver with drinking water, but then it killed all the fish because it blocked their hatch.
Ooh,
So they had to build a hatchery to catch the fish and then release them.
that thing over there.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, if you look past the tree, it's there.
Trust me, it's there.
It's up. That's where we were. We were up there before. Wow, look at this tree that fell. Must have made a really big sound. Boom. If a tree falls in the forest,
Does it make a sound?
does it make a sound? And no one was there to hear it. Did it make a sound? Cause she a thick one.
Yeah, otherwise known as little shit. Her, not me.
Hi, little shit. So sweet. Oh, darling. Thank you. Is that for me?
That's for you.
You want to get a stick for her?
Yeah, you can.
Hey.
Oh, no way. That's for your phone?
I don't know.
I feel like that makes sense. Wow. Beautiful British Columbia.
It's so pretty. I feel like a dog and they put like the balls in the back.
Oh, and the white-capped mountains in the back.
Pretty over there.
Let me zoom in for you guys. Y'all see that?
Money shot.
Do y'all see that? Let's see over this side. This is where we were looking over before, but the sun's come out now. And guys, this is, it's insane. Keeping us warm. How cute was that dog, huh? What was her name again? What was her name? Kula?
Was it? Was it?
Yeah, I think it was Kula.
Something.
And he was like
Or
or little shit.
carpool karaoke.
Yeah. Ooh, I'm taking my gloves off. I'm actually heating up.
Time to strip. Even the foggy days are nice.
Yeah, they're still so mystical. I love it.
Look at us and our toques. Toque.
Toque.
One toque.
I love this. I love this granola girl vibe.
So Canadian of us.
From
The
Islands
windows
Goth
open.
to like fucking granola girl.
Not in Bali no more.
Whoa,
Whoa,
whoa, whoa,
whoa,
whoa,
whoa,
whoa.
whoa.
Chill, girl, chill. If you know, you know.
Straight from Thailand.
Straight from Thailand. I
I'm
noticed
guilty of
that.
doing that too. I don't know what's else.
I realized like when you're when you're in a country with such like aggro people, you become aggro. But then here, you just I don't
You
know.
become nice.
I'm
People
like-
start talking to you, and you're like, oh.
I'm surprised of like how nice I've been. Like, oh my God, Evie, who is this?
You're like, hi, Steve.
Hi, yeah, I asked his name. I was like, really, because normally I'm so shy to ask people's names, but because people are fucking intense, dude. And like, I don't know, people don't like you talking to them for some reason. But here
People
it's
are
different.
Okay with small talk here, actually. People love small talk.
For me, it has been big talk. You know, small talk
This
is
is
like
really
I'm
big
like
for me.
this is really big conversation right now that I'm having with a stranger.
I know so much about you now.
I know so much about Steve and his dog Kala or whatever. Let's go.
Road trip.
Road trip.
The road trip would be so fun.
I love. Thank you, man. I miss you so much.
Have fun in Vancouver.
I will.
To Bangkok anytime.
Dude, you know what? I'm gonna take you
Come
up on
crash
that
at our
offer.
house.
Oh, dude, your Airbnb. I'm there.
Chanel's Airbnb.
Okay, time to wrap up, guys.
Yeah, get
Literally.
warm.
My gloves are somewhere. Uh-oh, where did my gloves go?
I can say bye to the vlog. Bye, vlog.
Bye, vlog.
Hope you had fun following along on our
Janelle's
forest
a legend.
adventure.
Where the hell did I put
Hit
my...
me up if you come to Vancouver, and I'll take you on a tour. Just kidding. Psych.
Where the hell are my gloves?
Oh, they're under your ass.
Oh, they're... Oh, fuck.
I got you.
Thanks,
I'm
girl.
the tour guide that takes care of all.
Okay, I'm gonna have to, like, get up to put my
Fine.
coat on.
Let me put the location on.
Stay right there, vlog.
Be right back.
Be right back. Intermission. You put in all the layers, and it takes you fucking 20 minutes to fucking get your shit together.
That's not it.
I love you.
Love you.
Safe flight today, huh?
Take care.
It's so crazy. She's about to get on like a 16-hour flight to Bangkok.
No, 16 and a half.
Enjoy, love. Bye. Bye, Janelle. Wow. Check that out. That's insane. Welcome to my vlog. This is the guy behind the camera most days, but he's in front of it now. Bechamel? What is this, TK?
Kangaroo fucking bolognese.
Kangaroo bolognese.
Lebanese style.
Lebanese style. And what are these?
Oh, Swiss chard and kale.
It's crazy skin on
He's a legend.
I'm like destroyed.
I'm sure you are. Dude. After you tea.
So
That's a spicy meatball.
Thank you.
So it was originally supposed to be like a green lasagna. So the green is Swiss chard and kale and a bunch of dill, parsley, and cilantro
course,
with
yeah.
garlic. And then it was with this yogurt bechamel. So I made bechamel, dumped in a bunch of yogurt, so it was like tangy and tons of garlic. And then I found this Lebanese style bolognese, but I put kangaroo.
Yeah.
But I thought, fuck, I'm just gonna make
That's
the lasagna
amazing.
with bolognese. I'll go there from now on.
So good.
Yeah.
So the Dusos, the Dusos